Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Today, episode 4, we're focusing on runner's delight. Runners usually have strong but tight muscles along their legs, so these stretches will help ease any tension and actually help get you the flexibility you need to improve your run. Begin in cat and cow pose. So please come onto the hands and knees in 4-point position. Bring the awareness to the spine. As you inhale, lift the head and buttocks upwards, squeezing the shoulder blades together. As you exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin and the tailbone down. Repeat. Inhale, lift the head and buttocks. Exhale, tuck the chin and the tailbone, rounding the spine. Repeat one more time. Inhale, lift the head and buttocks, arching the spine. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin and the tailbone. Return the spine to center. Downward facing dog. Curl the toes under and press on the hands and feet, lifting the hips high up into the air, pressing the hands and heels towards the floor, so the body is making an inverted V pose. Feel the stretch in the spine and the backs of the legs as you press your heels down. Warrior 1, right side. Looking forward, swing the right leg forward, bringing the foot between the palms. Turn the left foot outwards and place it flat to the floor. Bring the weight of the body to the legs and lift the body up, reaching up to the ceiling with both arms. Bend deeply into the right leg and hold for about 3 breaths. To lower down, slowly bend forward, placing both hands on either side of the foot, and then step the right leg back, returning into the downward facing dog position. Warrior 1, left side. Swing the left leg forward, bringing the foot between the palms. Turn the right foot outwards and place it flat on the floor. Bringing the weight of the body to the legs, lift the whole body up, reaching up to the ceiling with both arms. Bend deeply into the left leg and hold here for about 3 breaths. To lower down, hinge forwards, placing the hands on either side of the foot, and then step the left leg back, returning to downward facing dog. Plank pose. From downward facing dog, shift your body forwards until the shoulders come over the hands and you are holding the body straight as if you were about to begin a push-up. Hold for 1 breath and then gently lower the body down to the floor in any way that is safe and comfortable. Lay on your abdomen and relax here with your head to one side. Bow pose. Lying down on your belly, bend the knees and bring the feet towards the buttocks. Reach back and take hold of the feet or ankles, and then place the forehead to the floor. Press the legs back into the hands and raise the head, neck, and chest up. And if you have no issues with your knees, you can try to lift the knees off the floor. Breathe freely while holding the pose. To come out, gently lower the knees and forehead down to the floor. Release the arms and legs slowly and relax. Child's pose. Bring the palms to the floor underneath the shoulders and press your body up to your hands and knees. Sit back onto the heels, stretching the arms forwards, bringing the head towards the floor. Relax the entire spine in this restorative pose. Walk the hands in and come up into a seated kneeling position. Place the palms together in front of the heart center and send yourself a message of gratitude for looking after your well-being. This concludes episode 4. Om Shanti. May the rest of your day be peaceful, and thank you.